Yo, what is going on YouTube? Hope you've had a great start to the new year, and I'm excited to bring you this video because many of you asked for this one. This is Uber promo codes for 2024 and how to get them. I've managed to find possibly the best Uber discount codes. These are going to get you not only free rides but also account credit. I believe it's $100 added directly to your Uber account when you redeem a simple promo code, and I'm going to be showing you today how to get that promo code. So pick up your mobile phone. I'm going to be recording mine, so just make sure you follow all of the instructions that you see in this tutorial. So you need to go to this website, guys, www.topdogcodes.com. So if you need to, you can pause the video. Just make sure you do type it exactly how I've typed it here, because you do need to go directly to this website, and you're going to recognize it by this little happy pooch at the top of the page. But basically, guys, you need to go to the search bar and search for Uber. Make sure you can spell. There you go, Uber free credit and ride coupons. There's also Uber Eats and Lyft, but yeah, this one is obviously focusing on Uber. Open that page up, and basically, guys, you can see there's a couple of different choices. So this is where you have to choose between a $100 account credit promo code for Uber, or you can get a promo code for 3 Uber rides for free. So I'm going to be selecting the account credit for $100. So click on the green button on the right. As you can see here, it says show coupon. Click that. Let's zoom back out. Okay, let me just refresh. Zooming in messed that up. There you go. So you can see it says $100 Uber account credit, and you can see it has protected the back end of the promo code. So we need to unlock the code. Obviously, these are pretty valuable codes. So Top Dog Codes has implemented this process where you have to unlock each code. So tap unlock code. Just make sure you follow all of these instructions, guys, because yeah, it can be confusing, but it's pretty easy, really. Okay, so now you're going to see Uber code unlocker, which pretty much tells you the entire story. We need to unlock our promo code, and to do that, we have a set of instructions. It says complete 2 of the free offers below. This basically verifies you're not a robot. So you can see on my screen here, I have a list of about 4 or 5 different tasks that are all completely free. Now the mission here, guys, is to select any 2 of these tasks, follow the instructions, and then it's going to unlock our code. So for an example, you can see this one down here, this PayPal one is like a free survey. So this is an example of a survey if you was to choose one. It says enter your email and complete the steps to unlock. So click on that. This one is going to ask you some basic questions where it doesn't really matter what you answer them, but it is important you put in your valid and correct email if you choose one of these tasks, because it does verify you as a real person. Alternatively, if we go back, you can see there are also free games where it will take you to the App Store. It says like download and complete certain levels. So just basically follow the instructions and complete 2. So I'm going to do those, and then I'll return and we can see if it gives me my Uber promo code for $100. I'll see you in around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so with the power of editing, that was like a split second for you, but that did take me around 10 minutes just to complete fully a couple of these tasks. Now I know it's annoying having to do this, guys, but yeah, it is getting us a $100 account credit promo code for Uber, so I think it's worth it. If you don't think it's worth it, then you can just obviously click off this video. But yeah, I've just gone ahead and completed 2 tasks and just took my time, followed all of the steps. Now I'm pressing my tabs button, and because I've completed that verification, you see I've got this Uber coupon codes tab down here that when I click on it, it has now released the rest of my code, which I can copy and redeem in the Uber app or on the website, but who uses the website on Uber? But basically redeem this code, and it's going to give me $100 account credit that I'm going to be using this weekend. So that is it, guys. Like I said, I'm going to be using this code, so you're going to need to get your own Uber promo codes at topdogcodes.com.